What, Nubs? What, Nubs? Huh? How come you're not over there getting a bath like Jack is? Calie giving Jack a bath. Why don't you go? Yeah, see? Look at him. Watch him. Why don't you go get a bath, Nubs? Oh, he's gonna flop down here on the floor. Y'all laying in the sunshine. You gonna take your own bath, huh? Y'all taking a bath in the sunshine. Yep. You Nubs, you're silly. You flop. Oh, you're kicking. Ah! Oh, fair. You're kicking Calie. She says, wait a minute, I didn't do nothing to you. What you guys doing? You enjoying that sunshine, aren't you? There's my Nubs again. He's getting my toes. Look. Getting my toes. What are you doing getting my toes? Nubs. There's Jack. Jack. Here's my Nubs. Good, Nubs. What, Nubs? What? Go lay down in the sunshine. Look, Jack's sitting in the sunshine. Callie's still taking a bath. Yep. See y'all later.